You're looking at how to pronounce this name. Yes, I'm Julien, the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube. This is a name from French. We'll be looking at how to say more interesting and sometimes confusing French names too, so make sure to stay tuned. How do you say it? In France, they said as Gaelle, Gaelle. Note that it should have what we call a tréma, so the double dots, or an umlaut as it would be said in German, on the first E, which designates that the sound of the letter A, and the letter E, the first E, are separated. Gaelle, Gaelle. Gaelle is how we would say it in France, and now you know. More videos on how to pronounce more interesting names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious, many get them wrong, including those brand names from France, and you don't want to get them wrong, so make sure to watch those. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching. Merci.